Morning, class 7. Today our new topic is about a new continent, and that is Africa. Now, what is the location and area and political physical features of Africa? First, let me show you. So, this is Africa. Where is this situated? It is situated in the western side is North America, South America, and the eastern side is Asia. It is situated in the middle. It is in the northern and southern both hemisphere. The reason I am explaining. Africa, it is known as dark continent. Why is it known as dark continent? That also you will understand. It is also the hottest continent. It is also known as plateau continent and the last explored continent. Being the second largest continent and size, next after Asia, it occupies more than 1/5 of the Earth's total land area. Now, the major parts of Africa is plateau composed of ancient rocks. So, it is also known as plateau continent. The typical thing of Africa is, look into it nicely. This is Africa. I told you it lies in both the hemisphere because equator divides the Africa into two halves. That means all the important lines, that is Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn, can be found in all this continent. That means the greatest thing is this continent along with hot summer and cold weather is experiencing both in one continent. So later I can explain you the simplest way. Africa is a continent which celebrates Christmas both in summer and winter. The part which is in the northern hemisphere, they celebrate summer in winter, whereas at that same moment only the southern part of the Africa, which is in the southern hemisphere, celebrate their Christmas in not in winter but in summer. That means northern hemisphere in winter. At the same moment winter is running up there, and in the southern hemisphere it is summer. The next thing, if we go to there is a certain place in Africa or country which is in both the hemispheres because equator is passing through it. Okay, now let's do it. Here people have this continent in the very beginning was not been explored by the Europeans. Being a big country, to cross the Sahara is not easy. So people didn't took the chance to explore it easily. Also, being as the desert is in the north, the world's largest desert is there. It is quite hard to survive in the heat and dry condition. So, people didn't explore this part of Africa. Most of the Africa have undulating plateaus, so it is difficult to reach in the coastal from the coast. It is difficult to reach in the interior from the coastal areas. The rivers here are rapid, many rapid rivers, waterfalls are there. Navigation is not good. It have equatorial forests, also swampy lands, which is dangerous, and even taste flies, poisonous insect, which makes this continent hard to explore, and one have to put his life and then explore this continent. But well and soon it was explored. Now, the opening of the Africa began with the discoveries of explorers such as David Livingstone, who discovered Victoria Falls in 1885. Mungo Park followed the course of the river Niger. Henry Morgan Stanley traced the course of river Congo from Lake Tanganyika to its mouth. Through these discoveries, most parts of Africa then started coming under the control of the European powers. But the African people have gained independence and that also very soon, and today Africa is fully independent. This much I am